Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the tools and files you will need to download Autopsy and for a virtual machine. First off, what is digital forensics? Digital forensics mainly focuses on restoring or retrieving data and information from a device or hardware. For example, someone who deleted evidence on their computer may think that the data is gone for good, but with digital forensics, it is very possible to recover that deleted data. Kali Linux tools such as Autopsy and Explico are good analysis tools. What is Autopsy? Autopsy is a digital forensics tool used to analyze computer artifacts and data stored within the device. Files sitting within partitions can be extracted and analyzed. Autopsy offers many features for you to find any evidence that you are looking for. For example, Autopsy offers keyword searches for you to use on files you are analyzing. I will be giving a demonstration next week. What is a virtual machine and what are they used for? A virtual machine is the virtualization of a computer system. You can think of it like a computer inside a computer. Your main computer can share resources with the virtual machine so it can act independently. VMs are typically used in the cyber world. For example, someone studying malware wouldn't want to infect their own personal computer, so instead they create a VM and study it from there. If the malware infects the VM, the user can just delete the VM and wouldn't have to worry for the malware to infect its own, since the VM sets its boundaries with the main computer. Kali Linux is a very popular operating system to download onto a VM. To use a VM, you must first download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Here's a link of a YouTube video of a demonstration, and here's the downloads for the VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and Autopsy. I'm going to show you what you need to download for VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and Autopsy. I'll be doing this from a virtual machine. And this is how Kali Linux comes up. This might take a minute. Usually a VM has few processors, so that's why it takes a while to load up. And here we are, Kali Linux. The reason Kali Linux is so popular is due to the tools it has. The first thing that we will download is VirtualBox. In order to run a VM, you need VirtualBox as a VM manager. You could use other software, but VirtualBox is pretty cool. So you go to downloads, and depending the type of computer you have, you click one of these links according to your laptop. So I will be clicking Linux since I am using a Linux VM right now. And the file is downloading. Once the file downloads into your laptop, you pretty much accept the permissions and click next, and this page should come up. Now we will download Kali Linux. So in order to download Kali Linux, you have to go to kali.org and click download. You will scroll down to installer images and you be on 64-bit. Most CPUs these days are 64-bit. And you download this one. This is to download the ISO file. But please be sure not to click the ISO file since it could mess up your system. We'll be dragging it to the VM, to VirtualBox. And this might take a while. We're at 1 minute, so it should be done downloading soon. And it is done downloading. So far, we've downloaded a VASO file for Kali Linux and VirtualBox. We will now download Autopsy. We will now be going to Autopsy to download it. And again, do not press open on the ISO file. To download Autopsy, go to autopsy.com/download. You click download 64-bit. And this should be taking a few minutes. And for some reason it has failed. I will have to look at this. One moment, please. So after checking the processing, I added a little bit more processing power and that did the trick. And this is what comes up after you download Autopsy. We have downloaded Autopsy, VirtualBox, and Kali Linux ISO file. The reason why I decided to add a VM tutorial is that many security practitioners study cases, study malware and other stuff on VMs which protect their host computer from any damage. Next week, I will be demonstrating how to create a virtual machine and how to use a digital forensics tool like Autopsy using a case. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.